But I transferred to the University of Virginia during the fall of 2018, never having set foot in this beautiful mountainous state and without knowing a single person. I was fortunate enough to have been paired with great roommates, one of which was actually a returning intern for the Body Positive team. And it was at her behest that I applied to the Women's Center. As I read through the mission and value statement of the Women's Center and scanned the numerous internship programs offered and met with employees and interns at the center, I knew that I was meant to be here. I applied to be the summer intern for the legal clinic team rather persistently, if I may add, and was rewarded with the position in April of 2019. Saying goodbye to the legal clinic team is very bittersweet for me. I am proud to have left my mark on such an incredible team, but I will absolutely miss the community that it built for me. I came to this university feeling very alone, but I am now graduating feeling very loved, and that is because of the Women's Center. Tomorrow, I will be the first person in my family to graduate with a bachelor's degree, and as I reflect on my time at UVA, I can honestly say that the best part was the Women's Center, so thank you. Now, while this may be my goodbye to the legal clinic team, it is not my goodbye to the Women's Center. I am proud to share that I will be joining the Engaged Scholarships team as their graduate fellow in the fall.